Hello, thanks for visiting the CDPH website to see the best way to submit the CDPH 246 Outpatient Service Form. This form is used when hospitals would like to license a new outpatient service. Tip time! This form follows the regulations listed in Title 22. It is a wonderful resource to use to help figure out how to best fill out this form. For the first portion, please make sure that the person responsible for the service meets the regulatory requirements outlined in Title 22 to oversee the service. For question 2, please list the number of physicians providing services. For question 3, the number of dentists providing services. For question 4, the number of podiatrists providing services. For question 5, please mark yes or no to the question, are all physician, dentist, and podiatrists who provide services members of the medical staff? For question number 6, number of outpatient visits annually, please list the estimated number of outpatient visits for this particular service. Question 7 is designed to briefly describe the scope of outpatient services being provided. For example, this is a place where you would list the age range of the patients you will be seeing, and the scope of services that you will be providing in the outpatient setting. Question 8 is designed for you to list what type of procedures will be performed in the clinic. Question 9 will be where you will list the type of anesthesia that will be provided in the outpatient setting. For example, you would list local or general in this section. Question 10 is where you list the number of licensed nurses assigned to the service. Tip time! The more information that you provide on this form, the less likely we are to call you, which means that your application will be processed and approved much faster. Any questions can be directed to any manager or analyst in the Centralized Applications branch. We enjoy helping you to license essential healthcare services throughout the state of California.